Welcome everyone, here is how you use Icon Hue on iOS 16. So do make sure you have Icon Hue downloaded from the App Store, it's completely free. Now we're going to open up the Icon Hue app. So we're brought to the home page. Currently there are custom Safari icons which are available. In the future all of the applications should have a custom icon. There may even be custom icon packs you can choose. So in order to navigate, just select the icon you would like for the app. So in this case we have Safari, and so we have all of these custom icons here. So you can see pink, purple, I think the purple is the best, and you have all these other ones, you know, for different color types. So once you have the icon you would like, you're going to see the get button here. Just tap on get, and then you're going to see this screen right here. Now first of all, if you do not see this screen which says this website is trying to download a configuration profile, all you want to do is just close out Safari, tap on get again, and then it should 100% bring you to this view. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tap on allow, and you should see profile downloaded. Just tap on close. So from here we're going to open up the settings app. You want to navigate to the home page of settings. So you should see profile downloaded, but on some devices you won't see this. So instead, let's find general. We're then going to find where it says VPN and device management. You're then going to see downloaded profile. Tap on this one, tap on install. It's going to ask you to enter in your passcode, enter this one in. Then tap on next. Install, done. So from here we now have a custom Safari icon, and what's really cool about Icon Hue is you've customized the app icon, but there's no downsides. Okay, look at that, directly opening up the Safari app, and of course when other apps are added it will work for those other apps as well. So no compromise, you have the custom app icon. It's really cool. With that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.